how to turn through the ball even if your body seems to be fighting for you for years. No crazy stretching or guesswork. Wouldn't you agree your golf swing has one too many variables that makes it nearly impossible to hit consistently with smooth hips and chest turn? That's true unless you're a golf pro until now. You see, now you can use the simple 4 pre-swing check. Think of it like the pre-flight check like the airplanes do before they take off, okay? After working with avid golfers for over 18 years, I compiled a few protocols that has helped them stay mentally clear, physically ready, and more importantly, be logical about the areas of their technique itself that they need to improve on. One of those protocols is the simple 4 pre-swing check. As a therapeutic trainer for golfers, the majority of the golfers that reach out to improve their flexibility and core, but once they get into the golf PFT testing, one of the things that actually comes out and we need to tend to wrinkle out is their torso mobility in the lateral range of motion, meaning the side bending, that lateral range of motion. The reason that is because it's often overlooked by not only golf trainers but also chiropractors, because most of golfers use the traditional golf swing, which focus more on that rotational involvement muscles and joints, so they kind of overlook that lateral side bending range of motions. So one of the things I often find is a noticeable difference between the right side and the left side range of motion when it comes to side bending. Can you guess where 4 out of the 7 swing core muscles intersect? Let me just tell you that it's not the hamstring, and for sure, doing more low back stretches won't improve your ability to swing smooth through the ball to impact. And that's when the 4 pre-swing check comes into play. By reverse engineering your natural swing, I'm able to pinpoint what routine best suits you, your swing, and make it consistently and most of all, better over time. Having this exact process to simplify and pinpoint what your body needs eliminates gazillions of variables that can be causing your current faulty swing. Now, let me know if you want to give this 4 pre-check swing a try before your next round of golf. Just let me know below and just type pre-swing.